Yeah. Don't insult me. Don't insult me. Yeah. First back like it left us on. Don't insult me. Don't insult me. Don't even speak to me like that. Gon' see your partner die for even thinking he like that. Yeah, I seen she sent the DM, it's on scene, I ain't right back. Cause I been busy hustling, trying to run up me some money. It's a 60 in it right now on a normal day, it hold 100. Left the big shit at the house, so today I'm rocking with my 40. Like the handyman, I always got the tool with me. And I'm comfortable cause I know what to do with it. Yeah, draw that bitch down on you and goddamn, yeah. Boom, boom, boom. Cause I done put that iron on a few niggas. Yeah, I done put that iron on a few niggas. Them fuck niggas done faded away, I'm by myself with new niggas. And I done did everything that I can do, so now I'm through with it. I'm nothing like these niggas. I'm the type to stand on fucking business, even if it's me alone versus 22 niggas. So don't insult me, cause I done work hard for this. Nah, niggas salty. I'm grateful for the time I spent, that's when niggas lost me. Yeah, I overplayed my part, so don't insult me. Nigga, don't insult me. Yeah, I'm honestly offended, cause I was right to something like a father to these niggas. Y'all be lost as hell on Instagram, y'all following these niggas. I'm trying to stay about that way if I put a hollow in these niggas. I just be thinking about it sometime, wanna go and find one of these niggas. Like the Mormons is overseas, go drop a bomb on one of these niggas. But it don't cost a fucking thing for me to mind my fucking business, so I'm off that. Hard-headed little nigga, watch how you talk to me, I talk back. Then put that shit in front of me, nigga, I guarantee I'ma walk that. I'm nothing like these rappers that's out here trying to prove that they bout that. I'm running from it, cause I'ma really do that shit and I lost some money from it. So nigga, don't insult me. Yeah, don't insult me. Don't insult me, cause I done work hard for this. Nah, niggas salty. I'm grateful for the time I spent, that's when niggas lost me. Yeah, I overplayed my part, so don't insult me. Nigga, don't insult me.